Tired of wonky Khmer text in Illustrator ruining your designs? Let's dive into common problems with Khmer Unicode fonts in Adobe Illustrator and make your text shine. First, are the characters stacked up together and not spaced correctly? The typical issue is incorrectly spaced characters, making your text appear unreadable. Select your text, then, using the character panel, adjust the tracking, the space between characters. Experiment with increasing it to separate the characters. Next, character overlapping. Are your characters squished together, overlapping, or displaying incorrectly? Sometimes it's the font itself. Khmer Unicode fonts vary in quality, and how they render using a different font is essential. Explore Khmer-friendly fonts that are designed to be rendered by Illustrator. Select your text, try a different font from the font menu, and test whether the characters stack up together by changing the font in your document. By using these steps, you will now be able to fix most of the problems. You can avoid issues and ensure your Khmer text looks polished and professional. Remember to follow the key steps. Select your text and use the character panel to select your font. Enjoy your work.